So as you can hear me now, I'm on the Takstar. That's a shotgun mic, and to be honest it's really good for interview stuff, but I was thinking, I wonder what it would be like on a track day, because you need a good mic for a track day. So you know, you always have these really quiet videos with the GoPro standard internal mic, and it's just not enough. So I thought, well, why not reutilise the Takstar and see if we can mount it onto the car. Gave it a go, and I thought, well, there's no actual mount to actually attach a hot shoe. The bottom of the mic has a hot shoe adapter, and which is obviously used in DSLRs, but there's no actual thing of actually attaching it to the case. There's no possible way. So what I did think was that we would use a Sportsman mount, which is one of these, and this is normally used to actually go into a barrel or whatnot for a gun. It's made for hunting rifles, that kind of thing, and so I thought, well, that would be perfect for a hot shoe. And so when you clamp it in, it literally clamps down on the hot shoe and hopefully just keeps it secure and makes it not move. Anyway, the microphone itself, that runs on just a single AA battery. It's probably the best microphone, well, shotgun microphone you can find on the market for £20 odd. Then you've got the adapter, Wi-Fi remote for the GoPro. Then next on to the Sportsman clamp from GoPro themselves. Any wind muff will be fine. We're also using a GoPro case as well. This is a really cheap case. I had to obviously drill into the side of it because I couldn't get a skeleton case in time, but to be honest it does the job. Now let's go and have a look and see how it does on the road.
Sportsman